Right, so today I'll be showing you how to connect your DJI Mic Mini 2 microphone onto your DSLR camera. So first thing you want to do is get into the box or the charging case and get this receiver. Okay, so this is the receiver and it does have this little horseshoe mount designed for your camera. So this goes into and slides into the horseshoe mount or horseshoe placeholder for your camera. So you just slide it in there and the receiver should sit on your camera like that, as you can see. Now, on the receiver, on one side, there's going to be this 3.5mm headphone jack, and there's also a 3.5mm cable that comes in the packaging of your DJI Mic Mini 2. And this is that cable, okay? So you connect one end of this cable to the receiver, right, like that, and the other end of the cable into the microphone input port of your camera. So you find where that is. It's in a different position on different camera brands, but for me, for this one, it's going to be here. All I have to do is just plug that in there. Now once that's plugged in, then I'm almost ready to go. Now that's the receiver. Now we go for the transmitters or microphones and make sure they're pairing to this receiver. Okay, so you want to make sure it's on first, and if it's not connected, you can now go and put this receiver in pairing mode. So make sure it's on first. If it's not on, then you can turn it on using this button, and then now on the other side is going to be the pairing button. So you want to press and hold that pairing button, and you can see now it wants to pair when it's blinking like that. So basically, just all you need to do is put the microphone in pairing mode by pressing on that pairing button, and it should get paired. There you go. So this one has been paired to microphone channel 1. Then take the other one in case you need a 2 microphone setup. Also put it in pairing mode, and it should get connected to the other side. Now, if that stopped blinking, then the best thing to actually do is to put both in pairing mode at the same time. So let's put both microphones in pairing mode. Press these 2 buttons simultaneously. Now, when they're both in pairing mode like that, then now you can also put this receiver in pairing mode, and they should now connect. There you go. So that's the trick. The trick is to put both microphones in Bluetooth pairing mode first at the same time, and then put this in pairing mode. Now, once you see a steady light on the microphone and the receiver, and on the other microphone and the receiver, then both microphones are now connected to your DSLR. Now, the last step is to go to your specific camera's settings. Okay, so you just navigate to your brand's settings and make sure the microphone or the sound input device is set to DJI Mic Mini 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.